Okay, let's get started by laying out our tools and parts. Everything you need comes in the package. 3 major parts to the installation, and all of the bolts, 4 U-bolts and 2 straight bolts for each of the 4 units. We'll need 2 socket sizes, an 11/16 and a 9/16. Also a 9/16 wrench, open end, box end is fine. And you may need a rubber mallet, or you could even use a hammer with a block of wood. On some trailer rails, the U-bolts are a little bit snug. May or may not need it, but it's good to have handy. Let's get going. Okay, step 1. We're going to get the main attachment to the trailer on. Again, very heavy duty steel, all welded, and we want to get a good fit on this. This is our, it's going to accept most of the torque. 2 large U-bolts. And in that case, that slid right on. We won't have to use our mallet. Again, on some particular trailer rails and some U-bolts, you just have to pound them on to get the fit. This one went on smooth. And at this stage of the installation, hand tightening is fine. We'll have plenty of time to go back through and tighten up all these bolts. That one went on very nicely also. Okay, for our second step, we're first going to just loosely attach our riser to our extender using one of the straight bolts. This is going to help us size our in and out adjustment. Then we're going to loosely attach the entire section using the 2 smaller U-bolts. Now we're not needing an exact fit yet, but that should be pretty close. I can let the riser relax and just hand tighten this U-bolt. I'll add our second one on for stability. Double check. Okay, and for our final step, we will drill our 7/16 hole and add the final bolt. Quick tip on drilling your bolt hole. Just hold it in place, drill through one side. You have a pre-drilled guide to follow. Take it out and drill through the other side instead of going all the way through. Makes for a cleaner drill. Okay, with our hole drilled, We put our final bolt in. And we'll start with our 9/16. Tighten these. And we can switch back to 11/16 and just go through and tighten down all the rest of our bolts. Okay, so that concludes our installation of this unit. We'll go ahead and move it into the travel position now. And we have the fronts and the rears on this install. A few things to keep in mind. Dual locking, so travel lock and load lock.